Hashtag Pepperoni over here, back again. Today, I'm going to be opening a Secret Life of Pets McDonald's toy. Now, you're probably thinking, wait, the Secret Life of Pets plushies aren't at McDonald's anymore. Now they have Step It activity bracelets, Step It activity bands. Well, my cousin gave this to me because my cousin's not really into toys anymore. So when she went to McDonald's, she gave me the Happy Meal toy, and then I saved it for the right time to open it. So now I'm gonna open it today. It's Chloe, Secret Life of Pets. And I'm not just gonna open it alone. I'm gonna open it up with one of my Secret Life of Pets friends. One of them. And it's going to be Mel. Hey, have I ever told you this story? Yes. No. Next thing I know, one day I went on this giant plane thing, and then next thing I knew, I had a pill, and I went drowsing off to sleep. Next thing I knew, I woke up and I was flying. I went back to sleep, and then I woke up and I was on a whole nother place. And now I am with hashtag Pepperoni over. Yes, he's with me. Yes, she is with me. And we're going to open up another one of my plushie friends. And it's going to be Chillo and peanut butter. I just love peanut butter. Give me all the peanut butter. Okay, now let's get on to opening your friend Chloe. I just want to tell you guys something. When I was younger, and I used to say Cholo instead of Chloe. When I was younger, I used to say Cholo. Isn't that funny? Cholo. Okay, now, me and Mel, I love peanut butter. Yes, peanut butter is the best. I wish peanut butter was a person, then I'd open it with it, but no peanut butter. So, and anyway, Mel, peanut butter would be all messy. I know. Okay, now let's open this, Mel. Help me, Mel. Help. Help, Mel. I need your help. Mel. Yes. Chloe, you're free. Chloe, you're free like peanut butter. Like peanut butter. Do you have any peanut butter? No peanut butter. Oh, Chloe, you're so soft you're so soft. Oh, you're so soft. Okay, it's Chloe. Chloe, you're so soft. Thank you. Just thank you. It's a very good compliment. Ooh, did I see steak? Oh, do I see? Ooh, do I see chicken? Oh, that's so good. Oh, yeah. I have a new addition to my crew, Chloe. Yeah, my cousin gave Chloe to me before they weren't at McDonald's anymore. My cousin gave it to me because she's not into toys anymore. And my cousin Emma, she's not allowed on YouTube, so she's like I don't know how she's 10 going to be 11 in like a month. Well, she's going to be 11 September 10th. Yeah, so she doesn't really like toys anymore that much. So she gave this to me in the package. And now I have a new addition to the crew, Chloe. What's up, Chloe? Have any peanut butter? No, I already said no, I don't have peanut butter. I said peanut butter. I said no, I don't have any peanut butter. Peanut butter. Peanut butter. Okay, come on, just get over the peanut butter. It's only peanut butter. You just call it only peanut butter? peanut butter is like awesome. Gotta go help. Okay. Bye, guys. Bye, guys. Bye, guys. And if you like peanut butter, put in the comment section below. If you like peanut butter. Peanut butter is my favorite food in the whole entire world. Wow. Oh, I know it is. I know it is now. And Chloe? Yes. I want to say you are an awesome addition to the game. Just go. We need you. Thank you, Julia. Call me #pepperoni lover. That's my YouTube channel. #pepperoni lover. Sounds awesome. Wait, are you making a YouTube video right now? Yes. Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm famous. I just want to dedicate this video to Mel. Buddy. Actually, forget I ever said that. I don't mean it. What did you just say? I mean it. I don't mean it. I mean, I dedicate this video to all of the cats out there. All of them. Unless they're mean cats. Unless they're mean alley stray cats. And boo. Yeah? Are you looking at me like that? Tell them. Tell them what? Tell them. Show them what? Show them what? Oh! Okay. Mel. Duke. Here's Duke. What's up, man? What's up, Chloe? What's up, Chloe? I just wanted to say hi. Hey, buddy. Hey, Duke. Yeah? Chloe is a new addition of the gang. She's extra furry. I just took her out of the package, like a couple minutes ago. Oh, that's awesome. You're a new addition to the gang. Yeah. What? A dog. Yeah, so. I like some dogs, but you're a dog. Dog! Dogs have cooties! No, dog! You know I'm a dog. I know you're a dog, but I try to act cool in front of you so then you don't give me your cooties. From the human side. Okay, bye Chloe, so long. Okay, guys. You have cooties. No, you have cooties, lady. Do I have to say it again? No, you have cooties, lady. No, you have cooties. No, you have. Wait, I have cooties. Okay, then I'm just gonna give them to you. No, you have cooties. Just don't have cooties. I'm just joking. Wait, is this all on camera? Yes. Oh no. Chloe. There you go, Chloe. Oh, here's your food. I'm gonna steal that cake over there. Oh. Chloe, are you okay? Yeah. What? Yeah. Okay, so long, Chloe. Guys, we had to do this. Do what? We have to be friends. Okay, we'll be friends. Only. Okay, never mind. Let's just be friends. Nah, let's not be friends. I don't know. How about we just, nah, forget everything I said. Okay. Hey, Julia, are you videotaping this? My YouTube, well, yeah, I have my own YouTube channel. Hashtag pepperoni lover. Oh, okay, hashtag pepperoni lover. Yes, Chloe, the new addition of the gang. Chloe is so awesome. Oh, for celebration of Chloe, how about let's go get another edition of the... Oh, in celebration of Chloe, I've decided to go get Gidget. Where's Max? Where's Max? Where's Max? Hi, Max. Wait, where's Max? Max, where's Max? Where are you, Max? Max, where's Max? We have a new addition to the gang. Say hello to Chloe. Oh, hi, Chloe. Oh, you have very soft fur. Ooh, you have very soft fur. Ooh. Yeah, you have very, very, very soft fur. Your fur is the best fur in the whole wide world. Thank you, but it's just fur. Fur is just fur, but thanks. Nice compliment. Bah! Wait, are you a dog? Oh, yeah. Ah! Ah! Wait, do you have cuties? Are you a girl? Oh, yeah, I'm a girl. Don't you see my little... Where's Max? I don't know. I'm the new addition. Where's Buddy then? I don't know. Buddy is, but you can vote for him. I don't care.
You're not going to go out and play with them girls?
No. No. Okay, so new addition to the gang, Chloe. Hey, do you like Pokemon cards, Chloe? Like Pokemon cards? Chloe. Ooh, what a battle! Look the battle! Let's battle! Me. Okay, here you go. Beep. Pew! Pokemon card battle between Chloe and flip over your card. Just sucks. Reverse hollow. 140 HP versus the other card, which does full play. Okay, who gets to go first? Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Tired by the tail. If you go, eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Okay, Chloe goes first because she's new. I will pick full play. Choose one of the defending Pokemon's attacks and use this attacks. Okay, I'm gonna use Twilight Poison. I'm gonna use it against your own self and knock you out. Goodbye, Desktops. Chloe wins. Yeah, boy. I am awesome at Pokemon. Good luck. Good job, Chloe. Thanks. I am not that good at Pokemon, but I'm awesome at being a friend. So. Yeah. Who's that? I'm Sonic. I'm Sonic. Hey, who's that? Chloe. Chloe's the new addition to the Studio of Pets. Hi, Chloe. High five. Okay, like, comment, and subscribe to hashtag Pepperoni Over. And I'm taking over because I'm Chloe. I'm a new addition to the gang. And I'm also taking over too. Me, Duke. And me, Sonic. Me, Sonic too. And me, Mel. And since I'm also in command, I command you to give me peanut butter. And me also, Gidget. So, where's Max? Where's Max? Hi, Max. Where's Max? If you're Max watching this video, put it in the comment section below. Bye, Max. Like, comment, and subscribe to hashtag Pepperoni Over. I mean it. Bye, guys.